Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have SYNTHETIX SNX daily update, but before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto, you will find it and you can get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to learn and become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in, and of course guys, you can cancel anytime you like. I have the link in the description down below for the Telegram group chat as well. We are a community that grows every day together and we help each other, so join us right now and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. So you can see right now we just consolidate a little bit, we corrected from 12.7, now we are going down to 9.5, a very strong support level. As you can see here multiple times that we found it as a support level back then on 8th June and on 23rd May, and of course it is between our 0.5 and 0.382 Fibonacci retracement levels. Starting my Fibonacci from this bottom to this top right here, I wanted to identify major support levels. So let's see how we will play, because guys, I believe that SNX can go even higher. In my opinion, I think SNX SYNTHETIX can go even higher. Let's see the volume. The volume had a peak right there, now it is decreasing. You can see the moving average, it is going a little bit down. You can see how much volume we had right there, and now we are going down again. The bearish cross on the 4-hour frame on the MACD looks bearish, even though we still have our higher low pattern following right here, and as long as we don't go beyond this level, we are fine. If we go down all the way, then we are not fine, and eventually we might lose some important support levels. Okay, so for SNX USDT chart, you can see that we are almost in an oversold situation. We can correct more, but we can grow more, right? We are between -100 and 100 for the commodity channel index inside this gray zone. And you know guys, when we are inside, we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation, not a risk, not a buying opportunity as well. But you have to see some patterns again, and you can see that each time we go downwards from 21st June, we are going a little bit higher, now higher on 2nd July. And of course, we just won't stop around here, guys, around -100 and potentially move up again. So let's see a little bit the RSI. The RSI here, as you can see, the higher low pattern remains on the RSI as well. You can see it here, and we want to find our bottom right there and to go eventually upwards again into an overbought situation. That will be very good on the 4-hour frame. For SNX, the stochastic RSI now is in an oversold situation. You can see here, guys. So we might expect to go upwards a little bit, right, in the next few hours. Let's go right now to SNX USDT in the daily frame. We had a buying opportunity right here according to the SSL HYBRID. You can see the blue arrow. However, guys, we don't have a selling opportunity yet according to the SSL HYBRID. And as I've told you, it is better at identifying the buying opportunities rather than the selling opportunities when you short your position, right? So therefore, it is it is very good indicator, guys, but you can't decide only by SSL HYBRID if you are going to buy or not. You need to combine other indicators as well. So let's go a little bit to the Bollinger Bands. You can see when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we usually correct. Here we are, guys, we corrected a little bit, we approach the top line again. And for the RSI on the daily frame, we just went a little bit down, but you can see we have more room to grow according to the daily RSI. On the commodity channel index, guys, we are above 100. We don't have we have an overbought situation, therefore a very high risk, and you can see now we are going down. That's the reason that the RSI found the top right here, and now we are correcting. Okay, so the stochastic RSI on the daily frame is in an overbought situation. So although, guys, on the 4-hour frame we are in an oversold, we might go a little bit upwards, then correct a little bit again. So because you can see that on the daily frame we still have some high risk going on, right? And potentially, guys, we have the blue line crossing the signal line on the daily frame and now going upwards. Very good from the MACD on the daily frame. However, we want to keep going on. We don't want a bearish cross right here between the blue line and our signal line. All right, so as you can see right here, guys, the top top line of the Bollinger Bands. I show you the SSL hybrid. We are having a high risk. However, if we can see potentially, guys, a pattern like this following for a commodity channel index, we can go even higher, right? We can go even higher. We can see this. If this is an impulsive wave, guys, we will be seeing this as well. So let's go to SNX Bitcoin chart. You can see that we stopped at the 0.3030 around there, guys, 29.83. You can see that. And of course, we are expecting maybe if we move more upwards, because if let's say that we use the impulsive wave theory for more of a short term right here, I would definitely, guys, go and check 1, 2 right here, 3, 4 around there. Let's say that we stay there or we go a little bit down, and then the fifth will be higher into the next resistance levels, maybe the minus 0.5, maybe a little bit higher, but it is looking like we can have another swing high. For SNX Bitcoin chart, you can see on the commodity channel index we are not in an oversold, neither on the RSI, but we are forming the higher low pattern. And for the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold situation for SNX Bitcoin chart. And on the daily frame for SNX Bitcoin, you can see that even though we had a bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, we went a little bit downwards, but now we had a huge pump up. We hope that we might see a bullish cross, but we are not near. Okay, we are not near a bullish cross yet. We need another pump up right here to surely get actually the bullish cross between the 20-day exponential moving average at the 50-day MA. We had an overbought situation here for the RSI, for the commodity channel index as well, for the stochastic RSI, and we still have for the stochastic and for the commodity channel index. On the RSI, we are correcting a little bit, although I would love to see a pattern like this following for SNX Bitcoin chart. So let's go now to the price analysis, guys. And you saw before that we have some important resistance levels going on the 13.13. I believe we can go even higher to 14.40 for 14.4, guys. And we can even go higher into the resistance levels. The next resistance levels around 16 USDT. It would be so nice to be 60, but it is 16 Tether USD. And of course, guys, as you can see, the 18 around there, the 18 Tether USD area right here. Okay, so we want to see eventually if we will have this impulsive wave theory on the short term, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see we might stop here, the Elliot impulsive wave theory, right? You can't form anyone, only in impulsive waves you can have this theory, neither in a normal market nor on a bearish market, guys. This impulsive wave theory, you can have it only on impulsive waves. So we might expect another swing high, maybe to the fifth, maybe even higher, maybe to the minus 0.5. We will see about that, guys. Although we have some strong resistance level right here, we might just go having another swing high. So potentially I'm looking forward to it, guys, if this pattern will keep following and we go upwards. For the time being, guys, we might correct, yes, but we might correct even more. So you should be careful, right? You should be careful at the moment, although you will see that we are close to an oversold situation on the commodity channel index. The stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation for quite some time right now, and the RSI though is not in an oversold situation, although we want to keep having this higher low pattern on the RSI. It will be very, very good, and then we can go even higher. For SNX, we depend a little bit on Bitcoin because, guys, we had the SNX Bitcoin chart. You can see that we have a correction going on right here, although we might be going upwards a little bit right there. The Bitcoin is going down, and we depend a lot on Bitcoin right now. We want to see whether we can go upwards here or we will fall more into 31,784. And if we fall down from this line, guys, then it is looking bad, right? Because maybe we come to 30,400. But we will see all of that afterwards, guys. And you can see that according to the SNX, maybe according to the Elliot impulsive wave theory, maybe we can go even higher. Maybe this is not the end, right? 129% is very, very huge, although maybe this is not the end for SNX. Our next price targets, I would say it is the 13.3, but a minor resistance level right here, most likely the 14.4. We have the 16 around there, Tether USD guys, around this area right here, and actually afterwards we have the 18 Tether USD. So 14.4, 16 and 18 USD. Let me put the price label so you can see it more clearly. There we go, around this area guys, for the 16 Tether USD for SNX, in case we make the 12.7 a support level. And this is very, very important to understand, guys. We need to make these as support level to be sure that we are going upwards. Okay, so definitely right now you have a risk. Personally, guys, I will give you this advice. Don't invest here except you want to invest for the long term. Then yes, I suggest you to do that, but on the short term, just wait a little bit. Observe the market for right now, because the SNX is not in an oversold situation on the commodity channel index, and on the daily frame looks like we have some high risk. But if we have an impulsive wave, we will keep following a pattern going on like this for the commodity channel index, for the RSI, and of course for the price, we will get a higher price as well. You know that on an impulsive wave, we are having the commodity channel index in the RSI going near the top of the day. Let's see here, for example, guys, back on 12th January, on 4th January actually, you can see that the RSI was not going below 30, right? We had some higher high stuff going on here for the SNX till we had the crash, a little bit crash on the 23rd February, and afterwards on the 18th April, and now maybe on the 24th May. You can see there we had some going on stuff going on for the RSI going below 30, but on an impulsive wave it doesn't go below 30. So I want to see if we will eventually go even higher from here, or we will go all the way down. I am hoping that maybe SNX can have another wave towards the upwards and can break to some important resistance levels. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, join our monthly subscription to get easy profits, automated signal buying opportunities, and many, many more. And of course, join our Telegram group chat. Thank you so much. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.